Hey, what's going on, guys? Your boy Jay Cobb, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys 4 things that you absolutely need if you want to make money online as a beginner. All right, stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? Jermaine Cobbins here, and before we jump into it, guys, for those that's your first time to my channel, my name is Jermaine Cobbins. I'm an online network marketer. I'm also a business coach. And look, do me a favor, guys. All right, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you get any value. All right, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. That way you're notified each and every time that I drop a new video. And don't forget to turn on your notifications as well. All right, now this video is for beginner marketers. Do me a favor, put in the comments below if you are a beginner marketer, somewhere around that 6 months to 1 year time frame in this actual industry. Let me know, all right? And maybe you just coming online, a month ago. Let me know in the comments below that you are a beginner marketer, because I'm gonna link in the description a free training that you guys can get access to, where I'm going to show you my exact strategy that allows me to not only just make money online, but allows me to do some pretty cool things that I really want to do, and I don't have to really so much as monitor my business. All right, and I know that may be a bit much right now. Maybe that's the end goal for you, but the thing is, you're doing the right thing by watching my video. All right, so here's the thing, guys. 4 things that you absolutely need in order to make money online. All right, there are a lot of things that you can do to make money online, but if you really want to have a sustainable business, if you want to be known as a credible marketer, if you want people to follow you and you want to be in this game long term, I just want to give you 4 simple things that you need to actually have literally like right now. Okay, also stick around to the end of this video, guys, because I'm gonna give you guys my actual share funnel. Okay, it's a funnel, guys, that that generates me the most leads. All right, it has a really high conversion rate, and I'm gonna give you guys that absolutely free in the description below. All right, but let me share with you guys the content. So the very first thing you need in order to make money online, guys, you need a product. Guys, I started as a network marketer, and I still, promote network marketing products. However, just like many of you guys, I struggle. I pitch friends and family. I fell on my face hard. I didn't know how to sell. I didn't know how to, position myself as an authority. I didn't know any of this, guys. And the thing is, yes, it's really embarrassing. However, many people quit. Many people give up. But I knew that it was something that I really wanted to do, and I knew it was something that I could learn how to do, right? So what did I do, guys? We Googled it, right? And I remember going to Google and trying to figure out how can I build my network marketing business online. And from there, guys, I found the video, led me over to YouTube, and that video literally changed my life, guys. And I've been fortunate enough to change many people's lives as well as my life, by implementing strategies, learning, and investing in myself, all right? But the first thing you need is a product. Now, maybe you're not part of a network marketing company. One of the easiest ways to start making money online, guys, is start promoting free products, all right? We call it affiliate marketing, all right? One of my favorite places to go get products, guys, is ClickBank. And I put a link below to ClickBank, guys. And ClickBank is basically a hub of other marketers' products. You can go there, find any type of category, pick a product, promote that product, make a commission. Pretty cool. You don't have to worry about, dealing with customer service or refunds or anything like that. So it's pretty dope, all right? The second thing that you need a funnel, all right? Now, you may be thinking, well, what's the difference between a funnel and a website? Typically, a website, guys, is a page where usually people have to do a lot of clicking around and searching around trying to find, a solution to their problem. But a funnel is basically when they land, they know that this page it's the actual beginning process of solving a problem. They don't have to more so look for anything. So having a funnel, guys, not only is it begins the actual solving problem process, but it begins this sale process that can be stretched out, guys, literally, over a couple of days, a couple of months, right? Or it can be an instant problem solver, just depending on how advanced you are and what you're promoting and how you have it positioned. I'm going to link, like I said, below the actual tool that I use to, build out my funnels, guys. And I'm telling you, like, this is something that you really need to consider having in your business, all right? The third thing is you have to have traffic, all right? Traffic, guys, is not cars, okay? Traffic is people, and people are on the internet. So having these people to go to your funnel and give them, have them to give you, their information, their name, their email, their phone number, whatever the case may be, this begins that process, right? Your traffic, guys, can come from anywhere, all right? Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram, LinkedIn, it doesn't really matter, all right? But as a beginner, guys, I understand that, when it comes to running traffic, guys, you got organic, and most people start organic because, just due to budget. However, as you really understand this game, you understand that paid traffic is the way to go. So as a beginner, I highly recommend you guys consider solo ads, all right? Now, there are a lot of solo ad vendors out there. One of the solo ad vendors, guys, that I actually enjoy and has given me the biggest return is Udemy. I actually put the link to Udemy in the comments below, guys. Also, for anybody that uses Udemy, as soon as you set up your first solo ad, take a screenshot, all right? Take a screenshot and email that to me, all right? And once I receive it, guys, I'm going to give you the list of my top vendors, right? These are people that really gives me the best results, all right? So, but go ahead and set up your first solo ad, get yourself in the game. That's just your way of letting me know that you're serious about, your growth in your business, and it just gets a little bit of skin in the game without you actually paying me. Go out there and pay that vendor, set up your solo ad, all right? So I'll link that in the comments below. And the fourth thing you need is an autoresponder. There are a ton of autoresponders out there. One of my favorite guys, which I will also link that below, is Aweber, guys. Aweber is, to me, is really good, all right? I did start with, I think, GetResponse, and it's pretty cool, but, you got MailChimp, you got ActiveCampaign, you got a whole bunch of actual autoresponders out there. However, I'm more familiar with Aweber. Aweber is where I started. Aweber is where I'm at today, and I'll also link, you guys, to that Aweber actual platform, all right? But those are 4 simple things that literally, that you got to really say, you know what, I need these things in my business, all right? And I found that, when I coach people, they get the best results when they have these 4 things in play, all right? So out of these 4 things, guys, if any of these tools that you decide to use, take a screenshot, of your trial or of your purchase and email it to me, guys. And then from there, I'm going to give you guys a free strategy call, all right? But for everyone else, if you're a beginner marketer, put in the comments below that I'm a beginner marketer, and also let me know what was your biggest takeaway from this video. All the things that I mentioned are in the actual resources in the comments. In the description below. And I hope you guys got value. If so, let me know as well. And I will see you guys on the internet. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.